Lake Okeechobee where the sawgrass sways. There's a red dirt road that the sun sets ablaze. Seminole drums and the midnight air, ghosts of the past still linger there. Granddaddy's plow still cuts that field, praying for rain, but it's dust on the wheel. Mama's in the kitchen, baking up a pie, chickens frying, sweet iced tea sitting by. It's a redneck life, I wouldn't change a thing. Horses run wild, and the church bells ring. We bow our heads before we break that bread, and thank the Lord for the life we've led. Pickup truck rattling down the old dirt lane. Dog in the back got mud on the frame. Fishing pole leaning on a cypress knee, catfish jumping like the colony. Seminole wind hums an old refrain, tales of the land that still remains. Swamps got secrets deep and wide, where the gators lurk and the spirits ride. It's a redneck life, and I wouldn't change a thing. Horses run wild, and the church bells ring. We bow our heads before we break that bread, and thank the Lord for the life we've led. Saturday night, it's the rodeo lights, boots kicking up dust in the firefly night. Sunday morning, dressing up clean, heading to church where everyone sings. When my time comes, letting me down slow by the lake where the cypress grow. Let the Seminole spirits take me